The Sam Simon have got two small boats. There are two RHIBS and they're called the Viking and the Thunder, and they have been named after two illegal ships that have been scuttled during Sea Shepherd operations. The Thunder and the Viking are very fast boats that can reach over 40 knots and they can carry quite a few crew members on board. They are custom made for Sea Shepherd use, giving it a really long endurance. Whether the seas are calm or rough, we can get the boat launched even at high speeds. The Sam Simon is too big to be able to dock in this area, and the small boats are used to transport crew, transport supplies, and to offload the nets after they've been destroyed. But the main task for the small boats is to locate and retrieve the nets in order to get them out of the water and make sure that these waters are safe for the wildlife in the Gulf of California. Being part of the crew of one of the small boats and retrieving a net together really creates a bond within the crew. Some of the nets can be relatively simple, but some of them are extremely complicated. Some of them are loaded with the carcasses of animals. Some of them are loaded with living animals that you are freeing, and sharing this experience with your fellow crew member really creates bonds that are really hard to find anywhere else in the world. The Thunder and the Viking are on board of the Sam Simon thanks to the generosity of our supporters and the companies that wanted to support Sea Shepherd. And that is exactly what is making the organization so strong in stopping extinction and bring the poaching to an end in the Gulf of California.